The types of damages that are compensated in a car accident case in Phoenix are for your property damage, for the loss of use of your vehicle, for your injuries, for your pain and suffering, for your loss of earnings. One element of damages that people are unfamiliar with in car accident cases in Phoenix is the diminution of value of their vehicle. Diminution of value is the difference in the value of one's vehicle immediately before an accident happens and the time that the vehicle is repaired. Oftentimes, a car is no longer a Tier 1 level vehicle anymore after an accident. It is not going to be considered a certified vehicle by a manufacturer after an automobile accident. So you as a client are entitled to the difference in value from the time of the accident until the time it was repaired. The advantages to having an attorney represent you in a car accident case in Phoenix, Arizona, is that the attorney will have the experience handling car accident cases, will know what information the insurance company needs, will know what information the insurance company is not supposed to have, and will know how to value the claim properly so that your compensation is maximized. They present their public persona as caring, we're the good hands people, we will take care of you, there's no need for an attorney. That's in their best interest. People believe that insurance companies will treat them fairly, but that is not the case. Insurance companies are not in the business to pay money. They are in the business to save money. Handling a claim is not as simple as simply providing the information to the insurance company for review. You have to know what the insurance company is looking for. You have to have the experience to be able to handle a claim and negotiate on behalf of the client effectively. I have years of experience negotiating claims for the insurance companies and against the insurance companies. That brings a unique perspective, I think, to my clients' cases. Car accident cases in Phoenix, Arizona can take anywhere from weeks to years to resolve. Much depends upon how badly injured the person was, whether the person is continuing to treat their injuries throughout the handling of the claim, whether the property damage has been resolved, whether there are any liability issues that need to be resolved prior to the case settling or going to trial. Clients who call are often concerned about how they're going to be compensated for their damages. They're also concerned about having to pay an attorney to go up against a big insurance company. The good news is I take car accident cases in Phoenix on a contingency fee basis, which means if I recover nothing on the client's behalf, I do not get paid. There are lots of attorneys who have experience handling car accident cases in Phoenix, but there are very few who have the unique experience that I have as an insurance adjuster prior to becoming an attorney. That is an experience that is really going to help the clients in the long run. I have a unique perspective on how claims are being handled in Phoenix, Arizona. I know what the insurance companies do to try and keep you from getting full compensation. I know the games they play when they're handling your property damage claims. I know the games they play when they're trying to lowball you on your loss of earnings. I know the games they're trying to play when they don't want to evaluate your bodily injury claims properly. I know the obstacles they put in front of you to try and make you wait it out. So if you wait too long, you might cave in, you might give in to their lowest demand, and you might walk away from the case, settling it for a lower amount, making the insurance company happy, and not allowing you to be compensated fully for your injuries, for your property damage, for your loss of earnings.